Well, congratulations, the scientific breakthrough of the year. Just give us kind of an overview of what you guys do at Monon Bioventures.
So I've developed this technology at IU School of Medicine. This is work that I've done over the last 3 to 4 years with my mentor there, Eiri Hoshino. What we've done is we've taken stem cells and we figured out how to generate inner ear tissue with those stem cells. And we think we can use this process to study the development of the ear and study hearing loss in a culture dish and use that to identify new hearing loss drugs. And at Monon Bioventures, they are helping us commercialize this technology so that we can get it to the marketplace.
So where does it stand now in that process?
So I think one of the things that we recognize at Monon Bioventures is that across the country there's amazing research going on trying to solve like the biggest problems that exist to us today as a society. And one of the things that's underappreciated in Indiana is how much our researchers here at all the institutions in Indiana are answering those questions with authority. And I think Karl's research, Dr. Hoshino's research is a prime example of that, of how there is a wide open space to begin to treat hearing loss and balance. What we lack are the models to get us there and to understand it. And the human life is not like any other technology system out there. It's got an operating system. And what they've done is really hacked it to take a stem cell and from that, teach it how to grow into the inner workings of an ear. I mean, how amazing is that? And so we can take that now instead of, and we can grow hundreds, thousands, millions of these little ears, and then we can begin to address them from a pharmacological perspective, from gene therapy, from all the different approaches that are now available to us from a biotech perspective. It's really going to open up that space that's normally dominated by medical device, and now we think we can approach it from a biotech perspective.
So talk about the ear in a dish, and it has a borderline kind of creepy name, but it certainly is not that. This really is the breakthrough that we're talking about. Just talk about what that is.
Yeah. So at this point in the research and development, we're kind of at the earliest stages. We've been able to generate kind of a rudimentary inner ear, and we need to kind of refine the process, like turning crude oil into gasoline kind of thing. And that's where Monon Bioventures is really coming into play, helping us get new grant funding to kind of move this process into to a point where we can commercialize it and work with bigger pharmaceutical companies.
Ultimately, what do you think this technology and this breakthrough could achieve in the world of treating hearing loss and balance issues?
Well, I think that's the most exciting thing, is that there's now an understanding of the operating system, if you will, of what causes hearing loss, or what causes even it to function. Where before, now this is going to sound weird, but it's actually pretty easy to grow the outer side of the human ear. I mean, that's been done several times. It's the inner workings that are difficult. And now that we can recreate this in a dish, we can now understand how it works, and now we can begin to address it in a way that's never been addressed before. And so it's almost like like if Christopher Columbus was studying the hearing loss before, now he just discovered the new world. He's like, now I can now understand what's out there, what we can look for. So it's really exciting, a really exciting time.